My topic is SN1 and SN2 reaction. My name is Madiha Nareem, my roll number 463004, BSc Applied Nutrition from Government City College, Hyderabad. First of all, we see the difference between SN1 and SN2 reaction. SN1 is a unimolecular reaction, where SN2 is a bimolecular reaction. It follows a first order kinetic mechanism. It follows a second order kinetic mechanism. SN1 involves two steps, where SN2 is a single process. In SN1, the rate of reaction depends on the concentration of the substrate. In SN2, the rate of reaction depends upon the concentration of both the substrates and nucleophiles. In SN1, as the leaving group leaves the substrate, forms a carbocation intermediate. In SN2, the reaction happens in single transition state. Now we see the SN2 reaction. SN2 reaction involves substitution, nucleophilic, and bimolecular substitution. This reaction involves a substitution of players. Two reactants produce two products in which some things have been switched around. You can see this: AB plus C gives rise to AC plus B. Think this is you get an elimination E1 and anti-reaction mixed with a substitution. Nucleophilic. This reaction involves a nucleophile replacing a leaving group. Nucleophiles attack the substrate, donating an electron pair to the new bond and replacing the leaving group and substitution. Remember the role of nucleophile by its group, nucleus, and phile. It is attached to the nucleus, which is positively charged. Nucleophiles are therefore negatively charged or strongly. The next part of the SN2 reaction is bimolecular. A bimolecular reaction is one whose rate depends upon the concentration of two of its reaction. SN2 reaction happens in one step. The nucleophile attacks the substrate as the leaving group leaves the substrate. Here from the tip you can recall the rate of reaction depends on the slowest in bimolecular reaction. Therefore, the slow steps involve two reaction. SN2 reaction, there are only two reactions. This means that the slow steps in the only step. The SN2 reaction, you can see in this picture, nucleophile backside attacks the carbon center. The transition state forms, and in which nucleophile is forming bond, the leaving group leaves, forming the final product. You can see in this picture first, second, and third. Now, SN1 reaction involves substitution, nucleophilic, and unimolecular reaction. SN1 reaction and nucleophilic substitution involve a nucleophile replacing a leaving group. However, SN1 reaction are unimolecular. The rate of this reaction depends only on the concentration of one reactant. SN1 reaction happen in two steps. The leaving group leaves and the substrate forms a carbocation intermediate. The nucleophile attacks the carbocation, forming the product. SN1 reaction, first step of SN reaction, the leaving group leaves and the substrate carbon now only have a carbocation are mostly stable when there are more atoms to discuss carbocation stability. Tip. The second step of SN1 reaction, the nucleophile attacks the carbocation intermediate, bringing an element the substance losses in its stereospecificity during the carbocation of intermediate.